I wish a very good morning to our respected principal ma'am, our beloved vice principal sir, our supportive colleagues and my dear students. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the investiture ceremony of our school. This ceremony marks the induction of our new student council leaders who will carry the responsibilities in the discharge of various activities of students council. Leaders are the role models who inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the zenith of success. Investiture ceremony is one of the most important events of a school. It is here that we entrust faith and hope of our newly elected student council. Every student who obtains a leadership role feels proud. Today's celebration makes our leader feel unique as they shoulder a big responsibility in various capacities for the smooth functioning of our school activities. Delegations of responsibilities and giving authority to children is most important, as it teaches them lifelong skills of leadership and at the same time making them shoulder a host of responsibilities that come along with leadership. So now let's begin with it without any further delay. Moving ahead with our program, now we have the badge and sachet distribution to the elected representatives of our school council, students' school council for the academic year 2025 and 26. May I request the head boy, Master Aman Kumar from class 9, who is elected as the head boy for this academic year 2025 and 26. Now, to do the honor, may I please call upon our respected principal ma'am to begin by assigning the badge to the head boy of our school. Big clap, big clap. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the honor you have done. Now may I request the head girl, Miss Simran Rahman from class 9, to please come forward and collect her badges and sachet. And to do the honor, may I again please call upon our respected principal ma'am to please come forward and assign the badge and sachet to the head girl of our school. Thank you once again, ma'am, for the honor you have done. Now, may I request our Deputy Head Boy, Master Vedanta Bhattacharya from class 10, who is elected as the Deputy Head Boy of our school for the academic year 2025 and 26. Now may I please request our beloved Vice Principal Sir, Mr. Tanmay, to come forward and hand over the sachet to our Deputy Head Boy for the academic year 2025 and 26. Now may I request our principal ma'am to come forward and please give away the badge to our Deputy Head Boy. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for the honor. It's time for the Deputy Head Girl now. May I please request Miss Nayantara Premitudu of class 10 to come up and receive the badge as the Deputy Head Girl of our school for the academic year 2025 and 26. Now, may I again call upon our Vice Principal Sir, Mr. Tanmay, to come up and hand over the sachet to our Deputy Head Girl, Miss Nayantara Premitudu of class 10. May I call upon our Principal Ma'am to come up and hand over the badge to our Deputy Head Girl. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you so much, Tanmay sir. Now, may I request the cultural captain, Miss Prapti Chatterjee from class 9, to come up and collect her sachet and badge on the stage. Now may I please request Mrs. Salini ma'am to come up and assign the badge and sachet to our cultural captain Prapti Chatterjee. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the honor. Now may I call upon the cultural vice captain, Miss Purva Saghosh from class 8 to come forward and collect her badge and sachet from Miss Salini ma'am. request Mrs. Salini ma'am to please come and assign the badge and sachet to her. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the honor. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to call upon our elected sports captain, boys, Master Pratyush Sarkar from class 7. Please come forward and receive the badge and sachet. And to do the honor, may I request Mr. Saurabh sir to please come forward and do the needful. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Now may I call upon our sports vice captain, boys, Master Devarga Mukherjee from class 8. Please come forward and receive the badge and sachet. Now, may I please call upon Mr. Saurabh sir again to come forward and give away the badge and sachet to Master Devarga Mukherjee. Thank you, Mr. Saurabh sir, once again. Next, I would like to call upon the sports captain, girls, Miss Nandini Murmu of class 9. Please come up and receive your badge and sachet. Now I request Mrs. Rosalie ma'am to come up and hand over the badge and sachet to Miss Nandini Murmu. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now, it's time for the sports vice captain girls. And the elected sports vice captain girls is Miss Preeti Fulmali of class 9. Can you please come up and receive your badge and sachet? Shefali ma'am to come up and hand over the badge and sachet to Miss Preeti Fulmali of class 9. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for the honor you have done. Now, it's time for the captain of the Phoenix House and the selected candidate for the captain of the Phoenix House is Master Rudrasis Mal of class 9. Can you please come up and receive your badge and sachet? Now, I kindly call upon Mr. Suman Das sir to hand over the badge and sash to the house captain of Phoenix House, Master Rudrasis Mal. Thank you, Mr. Sumanda sir. Now, may I call upon Phoenix House, Master Arapundal of class 8. Can you please come up and receive your badge and sachet? May I request Mr. Sumanda sir to come up again and hand over the badge and sachet to our Vice Captain of Phoenix House, Master Ara Mondol. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now, I request Master Devarga Das of class 9, who is elected as the captain of Weaver House. Can you please come up and receive your badge and sachet? And to do the honor, I request Mr. Sahu sir to come up and assign the badge and sachet to our captain, house captain of Weaver House, Master Devarga Das of class 9. Students, you all can give a big round of applause to your friends who are receiving such prestigious badges and sachet from the school. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now, may I request the Vice Captain captain of women house, Miss Sravanti Mondol of class 8, can you please come up and receive the badge and sachet? May I once again request Mr. Sabu sir to come up and assign the sachet to the girl. And I request our principal ma'am to please come forward and give away the badge to the vice captain of women house, Miss Sravanti Mondol of class 8. Children, please give a big round of applause for your friends. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Now, may I request the captain, Master Subham Das of class 9, who is elected as the house captain of Pegasus House. Can you please come forward and receive the badge and sachet? Now I request Mr. Sandeep Datta sir to come forward and give away the badge and sachet. Children, please give a big round of applause for your friend, Master Subham Das. Thank you, Sandeep Datta sir. Thank you. Now may I call upon the Vice Captain of the Pegasus House, Miss Navya Tahsin of class 7. You are requested to come forward and collect your badge and sachet. I request Mr. Sandeep Datta sir again to come forward and give the sachet to Miss Navya Tahsin of class 7. And I also request our principal ma'am to please come forward and give away the badge to Miss Navya Tahsin. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call upon the captain of Griffin House, Master Arindam Das of class 8, who is elected as the captain of the Griffin House. Can you please come forward and receive the badge and sachet? Now I call Mr. Mudrul sir to come forward and do the honor by giving away the badge and sachet to Master Arindam Das of class 8. Children, please give a big round of applause for your friend Arindam Das. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now I call upon the Vice Captain of Griffin House, Miss Husna Azmi of Class 10. You are kindly requested to step forward and receive your well-deserved badge and sachet. Now I once again call Mr. Muthu sir to come up and do the honor by giving away the sachet. I also request our respected principal ma'am to please come forward and give away the badge to Miss Husna Azmi, who is elected as the Vice Captain of Griffin House. Thank you so much, ma'am, and thank you so much, sir. Now, proceeding towards the induction of house prefects of different house. And the first one is Miss Nazneen from Phoenix House, Class 8. I would like to request you to come up and receive your badge and sachet. So this is Miss Nazneen Begum from Class 7 who will be receiving the badge and sachet from Mr. Kamal sir. Kamal sir, can you please come forward and hand over the sachet to Miss Nazneen from Class 7. Badge to Miss Nazneen Begum from Class 7. Now as she receives the prefect badge from the Phoenix House, I request all the students from Phoenix House to give a big round of applause for her. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sir.
Next, I request Miss Jayatri Vyas from Class 7 who will be receiving the prefect badge from Women House. Can you please come forward and receive your badge and sachet? May I please request Mr. Anand sir to come forward and assign the sachet to Miss Jayatri Vyas of Class 7. Sir, can you please come forward and do the needful? Thank you, sir. May I request our respected principal ma'am to please come forward and assign the badge to Miss Jayatri Vyas of Class 8. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, may I request the prefect of Pegasus House, Miss Titas Das Sarkar of Class 7 to please come forward and receive the badge and sachet. please come forward and give away the sachet to Miss Titas Das Sarkar. And as Miss Titas Das Sarkar receives her sachet and sachet, students from Pegasus House, can you please give a big round of applause for her? The sound of your applause cannot be heard from that corner of the building of your school. So please, I request all of them. Thank you, ma'am and sir, for doing the honor. I call upon the prefect from Griffin House, Miss Antara Masuda of class 9. Can you please come forward and receive the badge and sachet? I would like to request Mr. Jahangir sir to please come up and kindly do the needful by giving away the sachet to Miss Antara Masuda of class 9. Thank you, sir. Now I call upon our respected principal ma'am to please come forward and give away the badge to Miss Antara Masuda. Students from Griffin House, can you please give a big round of applause for your friend, Miss Antara. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. As we almost come to the end of our investiture ceremony, now I call upon our respected principal ma'am to please come forward and complete the investiture ceremony by the most precious thing, that is oath taking ceremony by our principal ma'am. Ma'am, can you please come forward?
Thank you, Abdul sir. Okay, all of you, stretch your right hand. I do hereby promise to endeavor for the sake of upholding the dignity, honor, and excellence of our school and accomplish my allegiance faithfully and profoundly to pioneer an illustration of supreme leadership spirit within the school. I also vow to carry on my responsibilities to my utmost potentiality, striving always to take our school forward towards distinction.
Say a few words.
Good morning to all the batch holders. Okay, so this is the new student council of this academic year 2025-26. Now all of you are assigned with the prestigious batches in this investiture ceremony. Alright, and I hope that everybody has understood the importance of this investiture ceremony. Not only the batch holders, the students who are sitting over there from class 6 to 10. I hope all of you are getting the importance of this particular event, the first major event of this academic year. That is the investiture ceremony. So all of you are actually the leaders right now. Starting from the head boy, head girl, and ending at the prefects, batch holders. Everybody will be showing their leadership qualities, leadership skills throughout the academic year. One important meeting will be arranged involving all the batch holders with the Department of Sports, including the presence of Principal Ma'am as well as I. And in that meeting, everything will be clarified properly. So that meeting is going to be important for all of you, although you will get assistance from the deputy head boy as well as the deputy head girl, because they are from standard 10 and they are the batch holders of the previous academic year also. Am I right? So this is going to be an interesting year for all of you. More than interesting, it will be a challenging year. And you need to accept the challenge by any means. Head boy and head girl will be assisted by the deputy head boy as well as deputy head girl for the first few months. After that, due to their upcoming ICSE examination, they will be busy. They will completely devote themselves in the preparation of the upcoming ICSE examination. That's why from them, you need to take the responsibility and you need to coordinate the remaining batch holders. That means the house captain, vice captain of every house, as well as the cultural captain, cultural batch holders, sports batch holders, everyone. I hope it is clear to all of you. So, not as a vice principal, as a member of the proud Southern School family, I hope all of you can live up to the expectations. Thank you very much.